One and all, welcome in my class. So today in today's class we are going to discuss chapter surface area and volume. In this chapter we will discuss some PYQ, previous year question asked in CBSE examinations. So let us discuss some important PYQ from the chapter surface area and volume of class 10th maths. So first question is find the volume. Find the volume of a right circular cone. Here the shape is already given. Which shape? Right circular cone. Whose area of base of a right circular cone is in the shape of circle. So the area of the circle is given and this is equal to 156 centimeter square. And height is 8 centimeter. This is vertical height, this is height and this is equal to 8 centimeter. Now you have to find out the volume. This is very easy question asked in MCQ. Okay, here I have not written options. So let us try to find out. We know that formula to find out the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So if this is right circular cone, the area of this base is equal to, means from formula you can see that value of pi r square h, it is equal to 156. So instead of pi r square h we will write 156. Again instead of h we will write 8 because it is given in the question. Now nothing to do, just multiply and after simplifying you will get 416 centimeter cube. So this is one mark question asked in MCQ in CBSE 2023. This is very easy, but some questions are little bit difficult also. So let us move to the next question, which is little bit difficult from this question. So let us discuss question number 2. Question number 2. The question is water in a river. Water in a river. Suppose that this is river. This is river. And this is this chalkboard you are saying. Suppose that this is water. So water in the river, which is 3 meter deep. This deep. This is deep. मतलब h की वैल्यू आप ले सकते हो. This is equal to 3 meter and 40 meter wide. This width is equal to 40 meter given in the question. Is following at the rate of 2 km per hour. Water is following. This is water. Water is following and going into the sea from the river. And the rate of following is 2 km per hour. In 1 hour or 60 minutes, water is covering 2 km distance. 2 km water. So what you have to do? How much water will fall into the sea in 2 minutes. Means quantity of water which is following into the sea in 2 minutes. Means if this is river, this is depth, this is width and this is length. So this will represent cuboid. So in indirect way we have to find out the volume of cuboid, water in the shape of cuboid in 2 minutes. So the value of L will be water rate, water following in 2 minutes. How much distance it is covering? That will be the value of L. So from here you can say 2 km length in 60 minutes. So first of all we will find what is the length in 2 minutes. So let us convert this into meter and minute. Other dimensions are given in terms of meter. So 2 km is equal to 2000 meter and hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will divide 2000 divided by 60. So this will be the length in 1 minute. But we have to find out the length in 2 minutes. So nothing to do, just multiply this by 2. And we will get, just see, 0 and 0 will be cancelled out and 2 will be cancelled out. Here we will left with 3. So finally the L is equal to 200 by 3 meter. So the value of L is 200 by 3 meter. Now nothing to do, very simple. Every dimensions we have. So required volume of water which will fall into the sea from the river in 2 minutes will be equal to volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid we already know formula, L into B into H. So L into B into H. 3 meter into 40 meter into 200 by 3 meter. This is H, this is B and this is L. So after multiplying, let us see 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. Will be left with 4 into 2 8 and 3 times 0. So this is equal to 8000 meter cube. 8000 meter cube. So required volume of water which will be following into the sea in 2 minutes will be equal to 8000 meter cube. So these are only two simple questions asked in CBSE 2023 examinations. So dear children, see PYQ previous year questions is very much important from examination point of view. So I would like to advise you that please practice PYQ. Practice also other questions from sample paper, book and like that. But PYQ is also very important from examination point of view. And whenever you are solving the questions, please go through the question once, twice and thrice or until and unless you are getting the point. Draw correct diagram, remember the formula and just try to get out what are given and what is to be found out. If you are doing like this, means you are solving half question and nothing left, only simplification will be left. Oh yes, one more thing. About the simplification, what is the important? Whenever solving your question, you are solving questions. So try to find out first, cancel out the common terms. Here, you see, here we have got a cancel out 3. So that you have to multiply or divide less. And one more thing, if in the denominator there is 10, so keep it so that it will be helpful in putting decimal or cancelling or letter. So that's all for today's in my class. In my next class we will see some more PYQ. Thank you. Thank you and all.